Starting with the financial market, there are restrictions, most of them related to avoiding money laundering. The crypto market makes no exception, and most of the centralized trading platforms require the so-called KYC procedure. In this video, I invite you to analyze this procedure, what it entitles, why it is necessary, and how you can go through it very easily on the Ro.Exchange platform. Stay with me for the next few minutes. Hi there, my name is Christina, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about KYC, which is an acronym for Know Your Customer. In other words, we as customers provide personal information, name, address, copy of IDs, etc. This way a company knows who we are and has a proof that behind an account and some monetary transactions, there is a real identifiable person. Hi there, my name is Christina, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we talk about KYC, which is an acronym for Know Your Customer. In other words, we as customers provide personal information, name, address, copy of IDs, etc. This way a company knows who we are and has proof that behind an account and monetary transactions there is a real identifiable person. You have to know that all financial institutions use this procedure. For example, when you open an account, it is necessary to provide some personal information. If online stores use that data for targeted ads, with the financial institutions, such as banks, the purpose is legal regulation. In other words, when you transfer money from one account to another, that amount must have some legal justifications. You did not take or give bribe, you paid for your taxes, you did not pay for prohibited activities, etc. Therefore, financial institutions take all precautions not to interfere with the law. The crypto market is still a young and little-known area, and this makes room for illegal things. And here we are talking about scams as a company or at individual level, and money laundering. There have been many cases of scams discovered by law enforcement, especially in the first years of Bitcoin. And here we are talking about fake sales on sites like eBay and money laundering through crypto platforms, but also about deep web transactions. For example, an Italian woman was arrested for paying Bitcoin to a murderer to kill her ex-boyfriend. Also considered a famous case, Silk Road. Therefore, verifying the identity of the traders has become a need and a legislative requirement. Although much remains to be done in this area, the KYC part remains an important step. In the crypto area, we have these two types of platforms, centralized and decentralized. If on the former it is necessary to create an account and go through the verification steps before trading, on the decentralized ones you can change cryptocurrencies without authentication. Each of the two has advantages and disadvantages, but you should know that converting fiat, euro, dollars, etc. into digital assets is generally made on centralized platforms. Globally, there is this requirement for traditional money, fiat, to go through a verification system before reaching a crypto platform. Thus, on all the large trading platforms that allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrency in exchange for euro or dollar, you have to go through different steps to verify your identity. A very simple way is the one that was recently added on the Romanian platform Ro.Exchange. Recently, they added a simpler method for verifying users' identities. All you need is 2 minutes and a phone connected to the internet. You'll have to go through 4 simple steps and they will verify your identity in an European database. Obviously, your data remains stored securely and will not reach other people or companies. Let's see in details how to do this check. The 0 step is related to your Ro.Exchange profile. Once you have created an account on the platform, after the login, the transaction page will open. From here, you will need to go to your profile and you will continue with the Verify Account option. As you can see, it also says that this procedure is necessary to comply with the KYC regulations, Know Your Customer, and the AML, Anti-Money Laundering. In this area, there are 2 mentions. First of all, without this verification, you cannot access the funds page on your Ro.Exchange account. Therefore, any deposits required to initiate transactions are not possible. Second, once verified, an account has no trading limits, as there is on other platforms. You do a quick and easy check, then you have access to all the features available on the platform. The procedure for verifying the identity on Ro.Exchange is done automatically through a specialized third-party service. Due to this, the procedure is simple and fast and uses an API. So you'll be redirected to another site where you'll have to confirm the procedure you are initiating. Identity verification. If you use a desktop or laptop, there is an additional step that will redirect you to use your phone in order to scan and upload the documents. You can scan a QR code that will take you on the site, or enter your phone number and you'll get the link by SMS. In both cases, we use the phone to get on the first step, which is to choose the type of document that we will use. In general, I choose to make the verification using my ID card. If you click on the upload button, you will have the option to use the camera to take a picture of the document, or you can upload the picture from your phone. I always choose to take the picture on the spot. Once uploaded, it will look something like this. If you choose other document in the previous step, the page will look something like this. You'll need to take a picture of the document and you can see the format and the maximum size of the files. The next step is to take a selfie with your phone right at the moment. In this case, you cannot upload an existing photo. Press the Take a Photo button, your camera will open, take a picture and confirm it. The verification is done automatically and lasts up to 1 minute. Generally, in about 20 seconds, you'll be asked to log in again and you will be able to notice that you have a verified Ro.Exchange account. The next important step is to enable two-factor authentication, and if you want details about that, check this video on my channel. So, going through the KYC procedure becomes a necessity on most of the centralized crypto platforms. Some procedures are more complicated, others are simpler. Some require more steps, others are faster. Some are done manually, others automatically. The Ro.Exchange platform offers an automated and fast method, which requires only 4 simple and efficient steps. This is all for today. I really hope that you got some useful information out of this video, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed the video. Share it with your friends so many people find out more information about the crypto space, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. My name is Christina, thank you for watching, see you next time!